go. Let's do the epic
Tapos,
wrap-up.
pag na-discover tayo ni Simon Cowell, ang tatawag sa atin, no direction.
Ang tawag dyan, Jolene. Okay, here we go.
Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. It's a CDG epic wrap-up. Chico, Delamar, and Gino. Here on the Morning Rush, of course, we've got the beautiful Miss Casey Concepcion. Alright, here we go.
Alright. Anybody wonder if Casey would ever? Just remember Casey is on and the show goes on. Alright, already, Casey is on the Morning Rush stream so long. Anybody wonder if Casey would ever? Just remember Casey is on and the show
We
goes
got Casey
on.
in the booth, man, I got a sweet tooth. She's the host of X Factor, baka tayo'y ma-discover. The megastar, a bona fide superstar, amazingly gorgeous, kaya ako'y nako-conscious.
Sampo, hingi kay Casey ng shampoo. Sabihin mo, aming pito, walo shampoo. From January to December, ikay mapapa-stare, red hair na biyang compare. Casey, you're really driving me crazy. Ako'y feeling Patrick Swayze, directed by Miss Scorsese. Paasa, please naman give me pag-asa. Buhay ko bigyan ng lasa. I don't wanna be a taong grasa.
Girls, fresh ka niya. You don't wanna be a taong grasa.
Taong grass.
Gusto mo yung ano?
Nag-level up yung wrap-up na to.
Hindi nagsabi si Chico. Pero walo shampoo.
Naubusan naman na yung sila po na. Ano shampoo? Hindi pwede yung shampoo ang hirap. Shampoo na lang.
Shampoo na lang.
Shampoo. Ano
Ang
yung
galing.
palmolive, di ba? Shampoo.
Pinili ko dito.
Baskin.
Oh my God. Hey guys, thank you.
Just for you, Casey. Just for you.
Hindi naman ang coffee.
Alright.
Pero ang highlight ng 2000. Alam mo, I was so impressed. You know, we're used to Chico doing the Judge Rapper.
Pero grabe.
Pero iba to. Iba level.
Nag-level up yung rap. I think everybody agrees eh.
Parang hindi ka pa tapos, nag-punch na yun.
Ano na talaga? Block 9, watch out.
Block 9,
Block 9, watch out.
Did you ever want to rap in your life? I'll just leave that to my sister.
Oo nga, did you ever like, even as a shtick, kunyari like, I don't know, a show or a movie na you
Naset
had
niyo
to
na yung
rap?
standards. Ng image na eh.
Mababa naman yung